345 gang, what's up with it? Big Brando back with another one. Yes sir, you know I can't forget that. And I've been slacking on the videos and stuff lately, man. I gotta get back on my vlogging. Been busy for real, working, my kids and stuff. I'm outside right now, I'm about to get some stuff together, get my day started. I came outside, man, my girl's front tire was, I'm talking about flat to the rim almost. I got it pumping up some air in it right now. I got one of them little portable air pumps from O'Reilly's a little while ago. Y'all can see it right there. It's pumping up. Yeah, it's pumping up, getting right. Go ahead and go pick that up and kiddos with me. BJ, say what's up. Say what's up, YouTube. Say what's up, 345 gang. My break mamas. Hey, what's up, mamas? Yeah, man, I'm gonna get my day started, man. Getting shit in motion, man. Yeah, man, I'm gonna get back with y'all. Gotta be careful with my kids in the car, man. That rear end get super slick, boy. Get super slick. If I ain't have them with me, I'll show y'all what I'm talking about. Cause this motherfucker, a spin out so quick. Yeah, man, I'm gonna get back with y'all when I get the installing it and stuff and taking it out the box on gang. You want Daddy to do? You want Daddy to drive faster? Yeah. You like when Daddy drive fast? Okay. We at a light right now, no, bud. I can't drive fast right now. And I don't drive fast like y'all think so. I just hit the gas a little bit so he can enjoy it. It's my son. See, bud, look. Daddy going fast. Ooh. Faster. DJ, Daddy can't go that fast with you in the car. Yeah, Daddy can't go that fast. See, he a daredevil. I see, he just like me. He just like me. He love cars. He's telling me to go faster than what I'm going. I'm going 45. I'm not going no faster, BJ. By myself, it's a different story. I'm pedal to the metal, goddammit, but I ain't going that fast, but I'm gonna do a little burnout. Well, I ain't gonna do a burnout, but see? I just barely hit the motherfucker and it got sideways.
So sideways, Daddy?
Yeah, it got sideways.
Oh, Daddy! I smashed these cars.
You smashed the cars?
Yeah.
Back there on his tablet. Love his tablet, boy. And my break mama, she probably sleep. There's no telling, she probably up. Now, I'm about to be pulling up to the crib, though, man. Y'all know what's... Yes, sir! Yeah, man, I'm gonna get back with y'all once I get it started and shit. Gang, 345 gang, about to get to it. About to get this cold air intake on there. That's what we looking like, gang. But it already put it together a little bit already. I went and got them little caps for the PVC, the crank post filter. Y'all know what I'm talking about. Yeah, man, I put, hold on. Got a filter for the PCV hose, or it's either one, I'm not for sure. PCV or PVC. Y'all can correct me in the comments, man. But I got a filter for that. And I go to cold air intake. It's a little eBay cheap one, man. Just stopped at AutoZone and got the little cap for that, because I ain't gonna be running that hose through. It came with everything red. You know, it gotta match the red, you feel me? And of course my accents on my car is red, so just makes it look a little better. Could have got the all black one, but I decided to go with red to pop with the red on my car. But yeah, man, my engine, whew, this mug needs clean real bad, real bad, and I know it do. But yeah, man, I'm about to get this started for y'all on game. I see that. That's crazy. I gotta figure out a way to get this out without damaging it. Hold on, I'm gonna get back with y'all. Got it on there again. Gotta tighten it up. $345 gang. Got them on there. $49.99 eBay intake. I know my engine bay needs clean, but yeah, that's looking real good. I ain't gonna lie. Comment down below, tell me what y'all think. It was long overdue for that mug. Yeah, I gotta finish tighten up this bolt. But yeah, man, that look good. All I gotta do is clean it up. He's straight. I gotta get me some strut covers, man. I have to go to a junkyard and grab some. Yeah, y'all like that grill too? Yes, sir. That's something new which I ain't seen. Got to record this. This was a quick little mod I did to the grill. New fog lights coming soon too. Fog lights are on their way. See, them are shot, them are busted up, boy. That one is too. The headlights I can work with right now, and this one is more messed up, but I'm gonna get it together. Yeah, man, I'm about to go ahead and start it up so y'all can hear the difference. Well, I ain't even do the startup on the stock intake, because most of y'all already know what that sound like. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and start it up so y'all can hear this on game. 345 gang. I'm about to give y'all that little review of it, me starting it up. Y'all can hear it sound way better than that stock air filter with the box. Y'all can see I tried to clean my engine bay a little bit, because it was dirty, man. It looked way bad. It looked terrible. It looked a little better though with the intake in there. Yeah, I'm about to set it down and start it up so y'all can hear it. Hold on. Yeah, y'all heard what it sound like, man. It sound way better than that stock air intake with the filter box and all that. It sound way better. But yeah, man, I'm keeping this one though. Had a 5.7, then get the 6.1. Then I'm gonna probably get, I ain't no probably, I am. I'm gonna get the 6.4 Chrysler, probably a 2014. Boy, them motherfuckers is clean, boy. But yeah, I'm gonna get back with y'all, man. On here. No check engine light or nothing. Yeah, I can feel a big difference. I'm liking this. matching. This road bumpy as hell up here. I ain't gonna lie. I need me a straight shot. Look at this V6.
Daddy, why aren't Daddy?
.345 gang, I had to show y'all this. I did the eyelid. So my phone go dead, it's on 2%. That look mean. Yes sir. He looking right. Yeah. More part or no part. Yes sir. And just like that, I'm gonna end it with a bang. You feel me? I know I had to end it with a banger. Cold air intake, a couple of drive-bys with it and stuff. But make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. Push that notification bell. 345 gang, just like that. I'm gonna end this one. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. Push that notification bell. Y'all gonna get all my good content, all my vids, all that. Blaze gonna end it off for me. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. 345 Brando. Yeah, big Blaze right there. Yes, sir. Yeah, that's a pit bull mixed with a collie. Clean. Wait till he get bigger.
Now I know where we are.
I see him.
What's the place out here?
What a found. You got them in it. BJ. What's up, mamas? What's up, baby mamas? She saying bye to y'all. BJ, say bye.
Bye.
Say like.
Bye.
Comment.
Comment.
And subscribe.
And subscribe.
On gang.
Daddy says subscribe.
Subscribe. Just like that. I'm gonna end that with that one. On gang.